All right, everybody. So now you've made it to Document C. And Document C talks about the training of a samurai versus the training of a knight. So our first box here is, you can see it's from a PBS series. So it's a TV series called Japan Memoirs of a Secret Empire. And it says the rigorous training of samurai began in childhood. School was a unique combination of physical training, poetry, and spiritual discipline. The young warriors studied kendo, the art of fencing with bamboo sticks, the moral code of the samurai, and Zen Buddhism. At about age 14, the trainees officially became samurai in a ceremony called Genpuku. Samurai were expected to live according to Bushido, a strict ethical code influenced by Confucianism that stressed loyalty to one's master, respect for one's superior, ethical behavior in all aspects of life, and complete self-discipline. Girls also received martial arts training. Though samurai women did not fight on the battlefield, they were prepared to defend their homes against invaders. So this tells you about the training of the samurai and how they are living according to the Bushido code, which is an ethical code, and even the women did receive martial arts training. So if we go to the questions, what are two examples of the training received by young samurai hopefuls? So you're going to go to this box of what I just read and come up with two specific examples of the training they received. Then we're going to go down here, and this box is all about a knight's training. So again, it's from a TV series called The Warrior Challenge, and this is again about a knight's training. A prospective knight's training began at the age of 4 or 5 with learning to ride a pony. By the age of 7 or 8, he would be sent to serve as a page to his father's overlord or to provide to a powerful relative. There, with blunted or wooden swords, refining his horse skills and receiving some religious instruction, by the age of 14, pages were eligible to become a squire. Squires continued with weapons training, but were already considered to be fighting men. So squires are basically like knights in training. They would accompany their master knight into battle, dress him, feed him, care for his horses, and hope they would be deemed worthy. If a squire gained approval from an examining knight, he would usually become a knight around the age of 21. So that's training as far as a knight goes. So if you look at question 2, what are two examples of training received by pages hoping to become knights? So you're going to go to that box and come up with two specific examples of what they had to do to become knights. Then for the rest, there's only 2 more questions for document C. Number 3 says, based on the document, what were the main differences between a knight and a samurai? So for example, what ages were they maybe? Or did girls have any role in either one? So you're going to just pick 2 main differences that are different between a knight's training and a samurai's training. So after you've done that, you're going to go to number 4, and that is based on this document what were the main similarities. So you're going to find maybe 1 or 2 similarities that are between a knight's training and a samurai's training. Once you've done that, you are now done with document C.